Alright, let's talk about something that can totally transform your sales team's motivation and your bottom line. We're not talking about a simple bonus. We're diving into the world of the Salesforce Spiff. So, what exactly is a spiff? It's a word that sounds a bit silly, but it's a serious tool. A spiff is an immediate, short-term incentive or reward for a specific sales action. Think of it as a pop-up contest with a prize. It's designed to drive a quick burst of activity, get your team focused on a single goal, and frankly, make selling more fun. Now, why tie this to Salesforce? Because Salesforce is where the action happens. It's the engine room of your sales data. A Salesforce Spiff leverages this data to create a targeted, trackable competition. For example, instead of a general bonus for hitting a quarterly target, you might run a spiff for something like, first salesperson to log 50 new contact calls in Salesforce this week gets a $200 Amazon gift card. Or maybe, the team with the most closed opportunities for a specific product line this month gets a team lunch and an extra day off. The beauty of a Salesforce Spiff is its specificity. You can use your Salesforce dashboards and reports to pinpoint exactly what you need to motivate. Is your team not updating lead status? Run a spiff for the first 5 people to update 20 leads. Need to clear out old leads? A spiff for converting the most leads over 90 days old. It's all about creating a laser-focused objective that can be easily measured within the platform. A great spiff is always smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. You want to make sure the goal is clear, the reward is enticing, and the competition is short enough to create urgency. Think days or a week, not a whole quarter. This short time frame creates a sense of excitement and a real race to the finish line. Plus, you can get creative with the rewards. It doesn't always have to be cash. It could be a new gadget, a premium travel voucher, or even just bragging rights in a company-wide email. The reward should be something that genuinely excites your team. So, if you're looking for a way to ignite your sales team, drive a specific behavior, and get more value out of your Salesforce investment, a well-designed spiff is a powerful tool. It transforms routine tasks into a game, injects a little healthy competition, and helps you achieve your sales goals faster. It's a win-win for everyone.